how to add Roblox to Discord status. So first, what you want to do is just open up any game. So for me, I'm just going to open up Blox Fruits right here. Wait for it to load. Once I'm here on Blox Fruits, I'm just going to go to my Discord right here. Then click on the gear icon or user settings. Then go to activity privacy here. Just scroll down a little bit. Then you will see it right here. And make sure that your activity status is turned on. So make sure these two are turned on at the top. Just share your detected activities with others and share your activity status by default when joining large servers. So make sure that these two are turned on and go to registered games right here on the left side again. And as you can see, Roblox is automatically detected. If it's not automatically detected, just simply click on the Add It button and select Roblox right there. Once you're done, you can just simply escape right here. And as you can see, when you click on your profile, it says that you're currently playing Roblox. And that's how you basically add Roblox to your Discord status.